Hi guys, it's Miss Rye. So I am doing your very first asynchronous lesson. It is called Modeling the Steps of Research. So all those steps that we worked together on yesterday, we're going to put them into practice. Now let's look at our standard, our learning target, and then we'll get into the do now. So our AASL standard, learners engage with the learning community by expressing curiosity about a topic of personal interest or curricular relevance. So we're working and building towards that. Here's what we're doing today. Learning target, I can practice the steps of research. So before we get started on our practicing steps of research, I want you to do our do now. So it says, go to Google Classroom, open the Modeling the Steps of Research handout and complete the activity. So here's what that would look like. So I'm going to open up a new browser. I'm going to go to clever.com. And then I'm going to log in. You'll log in, of course, as a student, but I log in as a staff member. And you'll go to my class. And once you do, you'll need to click on 5.3 Google Classroom Research. So I'll click there. And then Stream is the homepage, but we need classwork. So we'll go right here to where it says 8/8 modeling steps of research asynchronous. Now, when you see mine, it's going to be the teacher view. So don't worry about that. It might look a little different, but this is the handout that you need. 5th grade, Unit 1, Lesson 2, asynchronous handout. And we click on it and it will open it up just like this. So when you go to this handout, we have our title, Modeling the Steps of Research. The first thing I need for you to do is to read through these definitions. It says, do now, read the vocabulary words and copy and paste an image in the box. So here's the first one, question, a sentence worded so as to pull out information. So it means we're trying to find something out. So we ask a question. What I want to do is think about that vocabulary word and try to come up with a picture. And what's great is we have the whole internet to help us. So I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in the word question. And that should bring up a lot of different images. I'm going to go, so this is everything, but I just want images. Okay, so there's lots of different pictures that I can choose from. You know, I think I like this one, so I'm going to click on it. And then you will right click, I believe, on your computer. I control click. Either way, you want this to come up. And once this comes up, there should be several options to choose from, but I want copy image. So again, we control clicked, press those buttons together, or right clicked on your computer. See which one works and which one brings up this menu. When this menu comes up, you press copy image, and then you're ready to go back to the handout. So this was the image that I chose for question. And what I'll do now is I'll click and make sure my cursor, this little blinky thing, is in the box that I want. And then I will paste it. Now, what I do on my computer is Command V. Yours might be Control V. Either way, when you press those two buttons together, your picture should appear here. So you're going to do that for all the rest of the definitions. Read it and then come up with a picture that describes this word to you. When you're finished with this, go back to the Google form.